I hope someday people will have the chance or the ability to be immortals with biotechnology, with the help possibly with artificial intelligence and maybe quantum computers. I hope someday we humans with biotechnology we will be immortals. I don't know how much time it will take. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, 100 years or more, 200 years, I don't know. Maybe it's not very far away, maybe some in between, middle time, or maybe it's very far away. However, it seems like it can be not too long, maybe a decade, maybe 2 decades, maybe 3 decades, maybe. It's a maybe. And I hope we one day will be immortals with biotechnology. However, if our brain is destroyed and the information in our brain is not stored, we will die. But even if our information on the brain is stored, I think we are different individuals. But we could recover parts of it if not all is destroyed. But if the brain all it is destroyed, I think we are talking about different individual. It basically is a copy. But if we can preserve the brain and the body, mostly the brain, we and we preserve all the body also, we'll be immortals. So that's my understanding and my hope that someday we will be immortals. And also other animals, we make them immortals, maybe. At least pets. We use dogs and cats and maybe some birds, or maybe other animals like cows that you like, and I don't know, pigs and rabbits. It could be anything, any animal that we have affection on. I don't know if all the animals will make immortals. Maybe that will be a little bit insane, because I don't know. But maybe I don't know. But my hope is that one day all humans will be immortals. And so far, what we have to do if a person die is to use cryonics. That means to preserve the body, in particular the brain, at low temperatures, so that we may live one day. However, this technique may or may not work, and so it's we don't know if it will work, but it's the only solution we have. But however, it's very expensive. Like for the full body, I think is around $200,000. It's very much money. And for the head, it's around $80,000. So it's very expensive. I think this technique should be free for all humans. It's the minimum governments should give to the people. However, governments are people. It's people, and people are not aware of this, and because of history, cultural, and so people are not aware, and they don't provide this solution, this ethical solution to everyone who might want. This should be free for everyone. But my main point is someday all people should be immortals. I hope someday, I said it kind of wrong. I hope someday people will be immortals. It is not for sure we will be, because advancements in knowledge and and technology must be done so that we can implement a human to be immortal. If that will happen, I don't know, but it is possible. It is possible too. And right now, there are people like Brian Johnson who think they will be immortals. by the escape velocity, which each year that pass, the life expectancy grows a little bit more, and it comes to a point when the life expectancy is greater than the life you are having, kind of like that. And so I'm going to repeat once more. I hope someday people will be immortals with biotechnology, with help of artificial intelligence like AGI and ACI, and maybe use of quantum computers. So this is my understanding, and that's it. I hope someday people will be immortals who have this technology with biotechnology. Thank you for listening.